Question 19. The height of a particular termite mound is directly proportional to the square root of the number of termites. The height of this mound is 35 centimeters when the number of termites is 2,000. What is the height of this mound in centimeters when there are 10,000 termites? My first step is to set up the variation equation. The first sentence tells us what the variation equation will look like. The height of a particular termite mound is directly proportional to the square root of the number of termites. Now it's directly proportional. That means the constant of variation, in this case the k, will be multiplying the square root of the number of termites. If it was inversely proportional, the constant of variation k will be divided by the square root of the number of termites. Now I've let the pronumeral h represent the height of the termite mound, and I've let the pronumeral n represent the number of termites. So the variation equation will look like h equals k, which is the constant of variation, times the square root of n. Now we need to find the value that represents the constant of variation, in other words, the value of k. And we do that by substituting in a particular point. Now we know that the height of this mound is 35 centimeters when the number of termites is 2,000. So substituting 35 for h and 2,000 for n in the variation equation, we could rearrange it to find the value of k. So 35 is equal to k times the square root of 2,000. To make k the subject, we divide 35 by the square root of 2,000. So 35 divided by square root of 2,000 is equal to 0.7826237921. Notice that I haven't rounded the constant of variation. I've left it as what is seen on the calculator display. I'll do all the rounding at the very end. Now to find the height of this mound when there are 10,000 termites. So I'm going to substitute 10,000 for n, and I have the value of k. So h is equal to 0.7826237921 times the square root of 10,000, which equals 78.26 and so on, which rounds to approximately 78 centimeters. Therefore, the answer is option B.